Weavy AI is a website that allows you to seamlessly generate creative workflows for any sort of visual assets. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this today. And as you can see, once you sign up and sign in, you'll be brought to this page. I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to see exactly what we can do in terms of creating some interesting workflows. So I'm going to go into this tutorial and see exactly what we can do. I'm using a trackpad. So I can move to the center the yellow circles it's telling me. Okay, like this. Okay, cool. So interesting. This is a fun experience so far. Okay, cool. So we've got a prompt here. Cinematic scene of friendly monster playing with wires. Background is filled with green, lush greenery. The entire scene is painted with a mix of bright and muted colors, giving a whimsical feel. Okay, cool. And it even gives us some text. So it's saying this is a prompt node. It holds the text prompt that guides your image generation. Okay, cool. So use 2 fingers to pinch. So I can drag and drop the flux fast node into there. Then I can just connect them like so. Cool, and then I can click run model to execute the workflow. Wow, this is pretty cool. It's sort of like nice. It's like an easier and simpler version of make and NAN, but with visual assets. Okay, cool. So I'm going to start working on this workflow. Let's see what else I can actually bring into this. I might look at see what else we can do. Let me try this video. Cool, and then I'll just put this here, and I can create another text prompt. Let me just do that here. Prompt node. Go from here. Hipster, Sisyphus, lime dots, oval zoo. Okay, cool. So it also gives us a sort of default prompt as well. So here the prompt is going to be a monster playing with wires. Cool, and let's see how this works. So I've connected this into our subject image 1, so it should use that as the subject image, and the prompt for the video itself is just a monster playing with wires. Let's see what we get. Oh, okay, it's saying okay, so it needs all of these as well. What I might do then is I might just connect these and make them all the subject image.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Maybe I still need the style image. Let's take a look and see if we actually get a video from this. So yeah, as you can imagine, you can actually use multiple different subjects in the video, which I think is pretty cool. Okay, we can see here, this is going to be loading for maybe a little while. It's about 5 minutes in right now. So I'm just going to let that do its thing. In the meantime, I'm going to go into, they've got what's called a prompt concatenator, which looks like a way to join multiple prompts. Overall, it seems like this is actually a really cool platform. They've got stable diffusion. They've got a whole bunch of image generation models. And it seems like this is a good way to quickly generate sort of images using a specific workflow. So if you've got a repeatable sort of workflow that you use whenever you're going from text to image to video, you can easily just use the same models in here and just connect them all, which is extremely useful. Okay, cool. So now we've got the video from this Morpho model. Let's take a look at it. Okay, interesting, pretty trippy. I think that's probably the vibe of this particular Morpho video model. I haven't heard of it before, but you do have a whole bunch of other sort of models here, like stable diffusion and a bunch of other, video generation models like Kling as well. So definitely check this out if you believe this would be valuable to you in your personal or professional life. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.